Hi everyone, I'm just going to share with you a journal that I've made. This is a soft cover journal. It has 3 signatures. It measures 8 inches, 5.5, and it has a 1.5 inch spine. I used a clasp envelope for the cover. I've added on these 3 pieces of crocheted trim, just in case you thought it was one whole piece. It would look nice if it was one whole piece. I've used this digital paper here, and on the back I've got some bead dangles hanging off some of the crocheted trim on the edges of the pages. It has an ornate frame with the word love, a Tim Holtz hitch fastener, so it just closes like so, and you can undo that and to give obviously more room as the journal grows. This will be listed on my Etsy if anyone's interested. The links will be below. So the kit that I've used mainly is ARTYmaze. For the main pages I've also used KristieArtDesigns and Tsunami Rose. I've put a book plate on here to cover the little brads from the book, this metal ornate frame. So we have a flip here. It's got doilies and fabrics and butterflies and bling. There is all sorts of different ephemera. Poppy's come in to say hello and she's just sat down on the floor. Envelope here with the journaling card inside. It's from ARTYmaze. This is from Tsunami Rose. This is from the kit from ARTYmaze, and I've just kept it in one piece rather than cutting them up. We are having such a lovely day today and I've been in and out the shed trying to finish this. So we've got stamping and stenciling, some ephemera, a little bookmark here. This is from ARTYmaze and it's got some dragonflies on there, so I'm kind of calling this things with wings because it's got dragonflies, butterflies and birds. So there's lots of places to journal. Bead dangle there. Here we've just got a pocket from the kit, and I done the full vellum on that using the baby oil. And I kept the tabs on this one. I didn't chop them off. Someone had said to me the other day, I think it was Maria, I'd fussy cut out loads of butterflies, and she said, you've got the time to do that, but you chop them off. And I was like, well, it's just pure laziness. So there is dictionary phrase books. This is some kind of ledgery type paper, some music paper which is a printable, centre of the signature, here we've got a flip up, flip down, and I love this little bit of trim. I recently got one of the last lot of trims from Amanda Charlesworth, and this was in it, so I used that. Here we've just got some ephemera, a little envelope with a paper clip and a little tag, and that just pops in there. Another bead dangle. This one's got a rondelle bead on it. Paper bag, a tag, a doily. This is an envelope from ARTYmaze, and it's got a double journaling card inside there. I'm not going to put all them back in just now. I'm just going to, because I know I'm going to get interrupted because everyone's sitting in the garden. The dogs will start barking, and some ephemera, a little flip out. I was going to put that in as like a permanent thing, but it got kind of full, so I just paper clipped it in instead. This is one of these magical paper pocket flippy things from Teri Wood, and I will link her below. There's a tag there. I have to take them out actually to show you how this works. Some ephemera, tag from the kit. These are amazing, absolutely love them. And I'm still not able to use my sewing machine, so it was just glued in. Tool still sore. So that is just wicked. I love that. I was so impressed. Let's see if I can get this back together now. Probably not. How do I do this? Oh dear. Don't laugh, you better not be laughing at me. Right, okay, that just tucks in there. Like that. That is just genius. So that just pops in there, and there, and there. Second signature is just a flip out there, and it's a pocket with some ephemera, a little index card, and I just stamped this hummingbird on there. Some more ephemera, a doily, a tag, a paper bag, some edge punching, a glued page. It wouldn't be me if I hadn't glued something down. Another bead dangle. Excuse my fingers, I've got I was dyeing some seam binding using some distress stain, and it's all over the place. A little birdie pocket here. This was just a tag that I made. A dragonfly from ARTYmaze. Another little envelope from ARTYmaze. And that pops in there. Hello, Poppy. She just keeps coming, wandering in and out. This is her first like summer, so I think she's getting a little bit hot and bothered with all this heat that we're having. Not that I'm complaining. This flips out. Little pocket there from the kit, some tags and a bookmark. Another bead dangle. A paper bag. This is just another one of these. These are from Tsunami Rose, and I've done the full vellum on that as well. Some ephemera and a bookmark. Another envelope here with a journal card inside, which doesn't want to go back in. Another corner tuck. Some ephemera. Tag. A third signature. Another one of these. Flips up, flips down. Some of that nice fluffy trim there. Some ephemera and a tag. And another one of these. The method that I've seen with this is using obviously baby oil and obviously blotting it dry to get all the excess off. Well, the first time I tried it with baby oil gel, and it worked fine. And then I went out and I bought some baby oil, and I actually prefer the baby oil gel. For some reason, the baby oil is very oily, so it's okay. The baby oil gel is a lot easier for it to dry and to get all the the oil off of. So if you want to try that, give it a go. So another journaling card there, and one of ARTYmaze's little hanging tags, but I just stapled them. And as you can see, like, all my journals normally have over 50% journaling space, probably more. After all, I make them for actually writing in with decoration, but I do love the ones that are jam-packed full of yummy goodness. I'd so love to get my hands on one of those for basically just a centerpiece. Another tag and some ephemera, another tag, and another one of these flippy out things. So here we go, struggle to get that in, so that goes that way. I did try one of the other ones, I think it was like the fold out just the corner one. I just couldn't get my head around that for some reason. I've got it sitting over to the other side of me, and it was I just could not get that to work for the sat there for ages trying to fold it all the right way that Teri had done it, and it was like, why can't I just get this? But I couldn't get it. I think I'm blaming the heat. But she's got 5 tutorials on making like these great interactive pockets with using like you know, like an A4 sheet of paper. I think one of them's a little bit bigger, the paper, but you know, you can cut that down yourself. Oh, I'll put that back in a minute. Another one of these hanging tags, some crocheted trim and some sari silk, and this is the end. Another one of these triple tags, a butterfly tag, some birdies, and a piece of ephemera from Tsunami Rose. To show you these. So that's just the 3 tags, like so, with the paper clip on there like that, and that is the back. So that is the journal. As you can see, it is quite a chunky one, and like I said, with this you can undo that because I've left quite a bit of tail on there to obviously accommodate its use. So I will put all the links below, and like I said, this is for sale on my Etsy, and that will be linked below. Teri's video on a pocket folding thingy bobbers, I don't know what you would call them. They're just pockets, they're pockets. So that will be below as well. You must go over and see that if you haven't already, and watch her journals. Oh my gosh, they are amazing journals. So yeah, so I'm gonna go and chill now, get out of this shed, because it is like, it feels like it's 100 degrees in here, but it's not, but it's very warm. So, and I hope you're enjoying your weekend. It's a bank holiday weekend here in the UK, so most people are going to have another day tomorrow off work and off school and whatever to enjoy this lovely weather that we're having. It couldn't have came at a better time. So yeah, hope you're all having a great weekend. Bye.